Welcome to our video presentation, where we delve into the mysterious world of dating and relationships. Today, we expose the truth behind the reverse psychology lies that girls often employ when pretending not to like you. Stay tuned as we uncover the 17 tactics you need to be aware of. 2. Setting the stage. Before we jump into the tactics, let's set the stage. Picture yourself in a situation where a girl you're interested in seems disinterested or cold. Have you ever wondered if there's a hidden motive behind her behavior? Well, you're about to find out. 3. The teasing deception. Our first tactic is the teasing deception. This tactic involves a girl subtly teasing you, making light fun of your actions or even challenging your opinions. Don't be fooled, her intention is to grab your attention and provoke a response. 4. The jealousy game. Next up, we have the jealousy game. Girls may intentionally mention other guys or flirt with them, testing your reaction. By creating jealousy, they hope to gauge your interest and make you admit your feelings. 5. The ignoring act. Moving on to the ignoring act. This tactic involves a girl completely ignoring you, whether it's not responding to your messages or not acknowledging your presence. Stay patient, it's just a ploy to measure your perseverance and desire. 6. The friendly foe. Another tactic in her arsenal is the friendly foe. Here, a girl acts more like a close friend than a romantic interest. By blurring the lines, she makes it harder for you to distinguish her true feelings, so proceed with caution. 7. The backhanded compliments. The backhanded compliments are designed to confuse you even further. She might compliment you while simultaneously pointing out flaws or teasing you. It's her way of testing your self-confidence and emotional resilience. 8. The mysterious damsel. Let's not forget the mysterious damsel. This tactic involves her intentionally remaining enigmatic, keeping her true thoughts and emotions hidden. It's a challenge, meant to see if you're intrigued enough to pursue her further. 9. The busy bee. Up next, the busy bee. You'll find her constantly occupied with various activities or always surrounded by friends. By appearing busy, she aims to make you work for her attention, proving your commitment. 10. The double agent. The double agent is a classic tactic. She may act interested one moment and then distant the next, leaving you confused and questioning her intentions. It's her way of keeping the power in the relationship dynamic. 11. The rejection reflex. One of the most challenging tactics is the rejection reflex. She might reject your advances despite having feelings for you, testing your resilience and ability to handle rejection. It's not an easy game to navigate. 12. The nonchalant charm. Here we have the nonchalant charm. Pay attention to her casual and indifferent behavior, as it's often a facade to hide her true emotions. The more uninterested she seems, the more she wants you to chase her. 13. The subtle mirroring. The subtle mirroring tactic involves mimicking your gestures, mannerisms, or even your speech patterns. It may seem like a coincidence, but she's actually trying to create a sense of connection and similarity between you. 14. The concept of scarcity. Enter the concept of scarcity. By making herself seem less available or unattainable, she triggers a desire within you to have what seems unattainable. It's a psychological tactic to make you value her more. 15. The subtle touching. Subtle physical touches play a significant role in the subtle touching tactic. It could be a light touch on the arm or a playful jab. She wants to gauge your reaction and measure your level of interest. 16. The confidant strategy. The confidant strategy involves her becoming your go-to person for advice and emotional support. By assuming the role of a confidant, she gains insight into your feelings, while you remain oblivious to her true intentions. 17. The vulnerability card. Lastly, we have the vulnerability card. A girl may display vulnerability or share personal stories to create an emotional bond. This tactic is meant to foster a sense of trust and deepen your connection with her. That concludes our exploration of the 17 tactics girls often use when pretending not to like you. Remember, understanding these strategies can provide valuable insight into deciphering their true intentions. Stay alert, and may your dating endeavors be successful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. Until next time, take care and happy dating.